Model, 2017 Fiat Ducato 35 2.3 130 Multijet L3 long wheelbase, needs gearbox replacement ULEZ Euro 6. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 139816. Engine, 2287 cc F1 AGL411D. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Engine is absolutely brilliant, no warning lights on the dash, gearbox needs replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control, sat-nav, air-con. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 6,720.